Learn those keyboard commands for that PC computer on Zoom conferencing. Hi everyone, Dr. Robinson here with Zoom conferencing. This is the platform that we're going to be using for our Zoom training on June 21st and June 22nd, as well as a year long of technology instruction throughout the year. This technology instruction for the full year will begin the first part of September. We will send out that schedule. It's twice a month. So I'm going to go over the commands that you're going to be using in order to use the Zoom platform. First of all, you need to go to zoom.us and you need to sign up. You need to have an ID. We already have your emails if you have sent them to us. If you have not, send them and we will connect you in. We have an incredibly large group of participants, and right now we have 100 seats for each class. And so when you come on, it will be muted just due to the size of the class. But let me go over the commands so you can actually connect and ask questions, which will be through text boxes. So once you are connected, I will actually be able to see all of the participants, and you are going to be able to raise your hand to ask a question, but I'm going to ask that no questions be asked until the last 20 minutes. Mainly, it's because due to the size, and I would never get through a lesson if people are asking questions. And so just keep that in mind. So let's go over the commands. Now, I'm in the Zoom meeting box right now, and if you go down to visually, down to the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to see mute and unmute. And all of these commands really make a lot of sense. Alt-A, audio. Alt-A, and these are all toggles, turns it on, turns it off, okay? And then stop video or share or turn on video is Alt-V. Well, basically what I tell people is when we're at that last 20 minutes and you are having an issue with something, you want to share screen. And I highly suggest go ahead and just share screen right from the start. So if, like we say, 50 people are having the exact same issue and I'm getting text boxes about, I totally don't get this, or you've raised your hand, then of course that's a command that I'm going to repeat. We are starting at the beginning. Even if you believe you are really advanced, the first thing you're going to do is learn how to clean that computer up and have it work incredibly efficiently, because most do not know how to do that. So that is where we're going to start before we actually start going through the keyboard commands in order to control your computer. So this is going to be a great lessons for anyone. So I'm going to go ahead and move to the right and invite and manage participants. That's all on me, so that's not something you guys have to worry about. Share screen, Alt-S. Once again, it's a toggle. When you do Alt-S, a dialog box is going to go open, and it's going to ask you share screen. And if you're blind, most people just stop there. Don't stop there. You must tab to share screen and hit enter, and share screen is a button. And of course, unless they change that to a link. But whatever it is, the share screen box is going to open up, and you're going to tab to share button and hit enter, and then your screen will actually start sharing. Chat, and a very important one, that is going to be Alt-H. That's how you're going to be communicating your questions. And I could even unmute at that point, the last 20 minutes, so people can actually audio just talk out loud so everyone hears. So that's going to absolutely be an option also, I believe, at this point. Anyway, I'm recording all of these lessons, so you will get a recording of the lesson after each one. And then, of course, I will send you some more keyboard commands to actually finish up cleaning your computer even more so. But we don't want to do that during the lesson. It will take away too much of the time. So those are the main keyboard commands. I'm actually looking off my list on any other really big ones. You will get this Zoom keyboard list also when I send off the Zoom meeting, and I will send that off at the start of the week before June 21st and June 22nd. So look forward to those emails and those links and everything else you need. And we're really looking forward to seeing you. This will be a lot of fun. This will be life-changing instruction, because you truly will be able to either teach the student how to access their world, or maybe you're a person who wants to be able to learn this themselves or teach a family member. Whatever it is, it will be life-changing. Even if you're just totally sighted and you want to learn how to do the keyboard commands, it will make you a much more efficient computer user. Okay, we will see everyone soon. Bye. And practice those commands, get signed up, get ready for the email link to join in. Just click on the link and you'll join in the meeting. See you then. Bye. Click on that subscribe button and have access to hundreds of more lessons on how to control that computer with your keyboard commands.